In this project from Adobe and Khan Academy, you will learn the art of explainer videos, popular videos for people trying to teach or learn something new.
I have yet to face a topic that when you view it right, it can't be wondrous, it can't be exciting, it can't be intuitive.
Back when I was younger, I actually put creative people in one box and intelligent people in another box. I realized I could do both. I could be both creative and intelligent at the same time.
Through Adobe in a Box, you'll gain real-world industry insights and creative advice from digital media experts.
I talk into a microphone. Actually, let me show you my microphone right here.
I sometimes snap near the mic. That is a moment where I want to cut.
I kind of like to record my screen.
I think about what visual demonstrations can I show my viewers.
The interactive videos and activities in this series will help you learn, find inspiration, and see how creativity is essential for all kinds of careers.
Get excited about it. I think that's what I try to do every time that I approach doing a new project.
If you have that excitement as well, like they can feed off of that.
Really show yourself in your video.
My advice for someone who wants to make videos, just press record. Press record and have a go at it and see what happens. That's how you're going to learn the most. Just do it.
So, what will you explain?